COVID vaccination certificate become an essential document in our daily life. You need to show this certificate if you are boarding on a flight or a train while utilizing healthcare setting, visiting a mall or a movie theater, etc. You can download the certificate either from COVID website or from the comfort of WhatsApp number registered in COVID website while you are taking the vaccine. This video will show you the ways to download the certificate. Open the Chrome browser and type the COVID portal in search box. From the displayed results, open the website COVID. In the website, click on the tab Register or Sign in. Then it opens the Register or Sign in for vaccination link. There you type the mobile number registered while you are taking the vaccination and tap the button Get OTP. Then you will receive an OTP in the registered mobile number in the COVID site. Copy the OTP and paste it in the place provided and click on the tab Verify and Proceed. Now it shows the name of the person who have registered with the same number in the COVID website along with their current vaccination status. Tap on the certificate link and download the certificate. Your certificate will be ready in your downloads folder. Another method to download vaccine certificate is utilizing your WhatsApp. The number that you are using in WhatsApp should be the same number that you are given while taking the vaccination. First you save the number 9013151515 as vaccine certificate in your contact list. Then open the message option of the vaccine certificate number in WhatsApp. Type the message Download certificate in your vaccine certificate number of WhatsApp and send it. You will receive an OTP in normal SMS and copy the same OTP and paste it on the chat box and send it. Now you will get the name list of the members, those who are registered in the COVID website using your WhatsApp number. Type the serial number of the person for whom the COVID certificate to be downloaded in the chat box and send the message. Now the vaccine certificate is ready. You can download it and utilizing for your various purpose.